My dear technician, this is the part 2 of the video I posted yesterday. If you have not watched the video I posted yesterday, please make sure you watch so that you will understand this one. My dear technician, without time wasted, let me start the video. My dear technician, the next thing now is for me to carry it up. Carrying the screen up. Check this out. You will see excess liquid. So you have to clean it, okay? You have to clean it. You have to be very, very careful when you're cleaning the excess liquid. Take your time to do it. Check if there's any bubbles. Take your time to clean it very well. Set it very well. If you have questions, let me know in the comment section, okay? Take your time to do this. Everything that you're doing here, you have to be very, very fast. My dear technician, clean it very well. Take your time to do this. Clean it very, very well. Take your time to do this. Clean it very, very well. My dear technician, the next thing now is for me to use the UV lamp to hit the touchpad so that the liquid will be strong to connect the screen and the touchpad, okay? But since I don't have the UV lamp, I'm going to use my workstation, blower, to hit the touchpad, okay? So watch me doing it live. If you have question, feel free, let me know in the comment section. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section, okay? So let me start doing it now. Like I said, if you have question, feel free, let me know in the comment section. If there is any mistake, feel free, let me know in the comment section. I would love to see if there is any mistake I've done here so far, okay? Let me know. Thank you. And guys, you can see right now that I'm hitting the screen. Check this out. I'm hitting up the touchpad, so take your time to do this. Take your time to do this. You have to be very, very careful. Like I said, everything that you're doing here, you have to do it fast, so that the liquid will not leak into the screen, okay? I don't want the liquid to leak into the screen. My dear technician, make sure you hit it very well. Hit it very well. Try as much as you can to be fast during this process. Try as much as you can to be fast. Try as much as you can. Be very, very careful. Try as much as you can. Check the way I'm doing my own. Check this out. Feel free to let me know if you have any question. I'm done. Check this out. I'm done. The next thing now, I'm going to keep it for like 10 minutes. I'm going to keep it for like 10 minutes. Okay, so let me do that now. My dear technician, so check this out. So after 10 minutes, this is how it looked like. So let me remove it. Okay, so after I remove, the next thing is for me to clean the gum. Okay, I still have some excess of the liquid, so I'll have to clean it. Anyway, for the screen, don't worry, nothing is in the screen, okay? The liquid is not leaking to the screen. Like I said, you have to be very, very fast when you're doing this so that you will not have any excess liquid leaking into the screen, okay? Take your time to do this. Take your time to do this. Do not rush. Take your time to do this. Have in mind that this process will take some time for the gum to be fully strong, okay? For now, the gum is not all that strong, but have in mind that it's going to take some time for the gum to be fully strong. I've been doing this time with a number and it works like magic, okay? My dear technician, if you have question, let me know in the comment section right now, okay? If you have question, let me know if you have question. My dear technician, you may ask, Father Joe, this particular liquid is taking time to dry. Is there any other one? The answer is yes. There are other liquids that you can get and that one can dry very fast, okay? My dear technician, before fixing the screen, I have to do a finishing touches, okay? Let me do a finishing touches now. Hitting the touchpad again. Okay, check this out. Check this out. Check this out. If you have question, feel free, let me know in the comment section. If you have question, feel free, let me know in the comment section, okay? Let me know in the comment section. My dear technician, take your time to do this because you want a perfect work. You want your customer to enjoy, okay? So take your time to do this. Take your time to do this. If you have questions, like I said, let me know in the comment section. Take your time to do this because this is the very last time that you're hitting the touchpad, okay? Take your time to do this. Do not rush. Take your time to do this. Take your time to do this. Take your time to do this. I'll be done. I'll be done very soon. I will be done. 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 Check this out. Okay, I'm done. Please make sure you apply gum to the phone casing. Allow it to dry first. And before putting the screen, please, my dear technician, make sure you clean the gum again if there's any excess gum around the screen. Okay, clean it very well. Clean it very, very well before fixing. Okay, clean it very, very well before fixing. If you have question, let me know in the comment section right now. If you have question, let me know right now. Okay, let me know if you have question in the comment section. Take your time to press it very well. Take your time to do it. Okay, don't rush. Take your time to do it. If you have question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. The next thing now is for me to turn on the phone. My dear technician, please let's wait. Please let's wait. If you have question, like I said, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Okay. Please let's wait for the phone to finish booting. My dear technician, check the edges. It's very clean. It's lapped. There's no spaces. Every place is lapped, very clean. You can see the way I'm doing my own. Very clean. There's no dots in the screen. There's no stain. Everything right here you can see is very clean. My dear technician, check this out. The touchpad is working and it's touching very well. Check this out. I told you before that nothing will be wrong with touchpad, okay? The touchpad is working very, very well. It's touching very well. My dear technician, check the screen very well. It's very clean. Nothing is wrong with it. Check this out. It's very clean. If you have question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section, okay? Check this out. It's very clean. It's working perfectly. There's no dots. There's no ink. There's no excess gum leaking into the screen. Guys, this will work perfectly for you if you follow the steps, but you have to be very, very careful. If you're not a professional or you have not done this before, I strongly recommend that you should start with a screen that is not working for you to be sure, or you can try with a phone that belongs to you, okay? Don't try it with your customer phone first so that you will not have any issue with your customer later, okay? My dear technician, you may ask, Father Joe, will this thing last? Okay, the answer is yes. Yes and yes. Okay, you may ask, Father Joe, what if this thing gets to the screen later? Okay, let me answer. Okay, when you're doing this thing, you have to be very careful. Like I said, you have to take your time to do this. Do not apply too much liquid. Remember what I told you when I started doing this video? Do not apply too much liquid, okay? If the liquid is too much, later it's going to leak, okay? So make sure you apply low of it, okay? Let it not be too much, just a small amount of it is okay. Then you take your time to remove the bubbles, okay? If you want to use the machine, you can use machine. The machine works better than the method I'm showing you right now, okay? But the method I'm showing you right now will help you if you do not have machine. You can see everything right now is clean and clear. It works like magic. You can check it very well. Check the edges. Every place right here is clean without any bubbles. You can check it very well. Check it very, very well. If you have question, you are free to let me know. You may ask, Father Joe, will the liquid leak into the screen? The answer is no, because I've taken my time to do it. For your own case, I strongly recommend try this on a phone that belongs to you first for you to be sure before doing it, okay? All my videos are something that have been doing it with a number before I do it here because I want you guys to learn, okay? If you have question, feel free, let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Let me know if you have any question. I am here to help you. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. I love you all. My dear technician, before I close this video, I'm sure that I've been able to answer your question.